Today I'm going to show you how to make apple and blackcurrant muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of soft brown sugar, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of oil, 2 apples and 150 grams of blackcurrants. My blackcurrants are frozen, but you can use fresh. Firstly, you want to peel and chop up your apple into small cubes. Then to your milk add your egg and your oil and mix until well combined. Then in a separate bowl to your flour, add your sugar and again mix well until well combined. And then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then add your blackcurrants and your apples. And again, mix well until everything is well distributed. Then to a cupcake tray lined with cupcake cases. You simply want to spoon your mixture into each case. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make apple and blackcurrant muffins.